MoneyGram has revolutionized receipt access in 2025 with a comprehensive digital-first approach. Gone are the days of worrying about losing paper receipts or having to keep physical copies. The transformation from traditional paper-based receipts to digital access represents a major leap forward in convenience and security. Multiple digital channels now provide instant access to your transaction records. 4 primary digital channels provide comprehensive receipt access. The mobile app offers instant receipt generation with QR codes for quick verification. Email delivery automatically sends receipts to your registered address within minutes of transaction completion. SMS notifications provide real-time transaction confirmations with reference numbers sent directly to your phone. The enhanced web dashboard features improved search capabilities and advanced filtering options for easy receipt management. Modern MoneyGram receipts include advanced security features. Encrypted QR codes enable instant verification, while watermarked digital documents and unique transaction identifiers ensure authenticity and prevent fraud. While digital access is now the primary method, physical options remain available for those who prefer them. You can still visit agent locations to request receipt reprints, and select ATM locations now offer receipt printing capabilities for added convenience. The digital-first approach delivers 3 key benefits: instant access to your receipts without any waiting, secure storage with encryption and protection, and multiple format options including PDF downloads, email delivery, and SMS notifications. This comprehensive system ensures you always have access to your transaction records when you need them. There are 4 main ways to find and download your MoneyGram receipt. Let's walk through each method step by step. Method 1, using the MoneyGram mobile app. This is the fastest and most convenient way to access your receipts on the go. First, download the official MoneyGram app from the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Next, create a new account or log in with your existing credentials. You'll need to provide your email address and create a secure password. Once logged in, navigate to the transaction history section. This is usually found in the main menu or dashboard of the app. You can search for your transaction by date range or by entering your reference number. The reference number is the most accurate way to find your specific transaction. Select your transaction from the list, then choose to save it as a PDF file or email the receipt directly to yourself. Method 2, using the online web portal. This method works great when you're using a computer or laptop. Start by visiting the official MoneyGram website at moneygram.com using any web browser on your computer or mobile device. Look for and click on either Track a Transfer or My Account, depending on whether you have an existing account or want to track as a guest. Enter your reference number and the recipient's last name exactly as they appear on your original receipt. This information must match precisely. Access your transaction details to view all the information about your money transfer, including amounts, fees, and delivery status. Finally, download your receipt in PDF format. This creates a permanent digital copy that you can save to your computer or print if needed. Method 3, email retrieval. This is perfect if you provided an email address when sending your money transfer. Open your email application and check the email address you used when sending the money transfer. MoneyGram typically sends confirmation emails within minutes. Search for MoneyGram in your inbox using your email's search function. This will help you quickly locate the confirmation email. Don't forget to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see the email in your main inbox. Sometimes automated emails can be filtered there. Once you find the MoneyGram confirmation email, click on View Receipt or download the PDF attachment that contains your complete transaction details. Method 4, physical location visit. This traditional method is still available and very reliable when you need immediate assistance. Visit the original location where you sent the money transfer. This could be a MoneyGram agent location, bank, or retail partner like Walmart or CVS. Bring a valid government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport. The agent will need to verify your identity before accessing your transaction. Provide your reference number and personal details to the agent. They will use this information to locate your transaction in their system. Request a receipt reprint from the agent. They can access your transaction history and print a new copy of your receipt on the spot. These 4 methods ensure you can always access your MoneyGram receipt when needed. Choose the method that works best for your situation and technical comfort level.